Hi. With MRPeasy, it is possible to manage your multi-level bills of materials and multi-level production with efficiency. In this video, we'll show you how to easily manage complex manufacturing scenarios. You'll see how to build multi-level product structures with nested assemblies and schedule production seamlessly across multiple levels. We'll also create standalone manufacturing orders for sub-assemblies and import multi-level bill of materials in just a few clicks. In an MRP system, a multi-level product is simply a product made up of other products. Each sub-assembly or half product is treated as its own product with its own bill of materials and routing. Setting this up is straightforward. Define each sub-assembly as a separate item, give it its own BOM and routing, then include it in the final product's bill of materials. In the BOM of a sub-assembly, you list the direct parts or other sub-assemblies it's made of. In its routing, you define the operations required to manufacture it. When creating the final product's BOM, simply select the direct parts and sub-assemblies that make it up. The software automatically links everything together, showing how all levels connect. And for the final product's routing, the same logic applies. Just define the operations for assembling the direct parts and sub-assemblies. The operations for producing sub-assemblies are already defined at their own level. In MRPeasy, when scheduling a multi-level manufacturing order, the software first checks if you have any of the necessary sub-assemblies already available for use. If you do, then these are booked for this manufacturing order, and the production of the sub-assembly is not included in the manufacturing order. However, if you do not have the sub-assemblies available in stock, then the manufacturing operations and materials requirements are included in the same manufacturing order of the final product. This is what we call a multi-level manufacturing order, where the sub-assemblies production is nested in the final product's manufacturing order, and the sub-assemblies production operations must be first finished before the final product can be made. In the manufacturing order, you can see a separate materials and operations section for each sub-assembly, how many of each is required to manufacture, how many have been made, and get a color-coded indication if you can start the manufacturing of the higher-level assembly. During the completion of a multi-level manufacturing order, the quantity of sub-assemblies produced is always just what's needed to finish the entire order. However, sometimes manufacturers choose to produce extra sub-assemblies, more than what's required right away. There's an easy way to handle this. Simply mark the sub-assembly as a standalone product. When marked as standalone, the sub-assembly is no longer nested within the parent product's manufacturing order. Instead, its production demand appears directly in the critical on-hand report, where you can easily create a separate manufacturing order for the sub-assembly with the desired quantity. And when you want to nest the sub-assembly back into the multi-level manufacturing order, just uncheck the standalone option. If your products are complex, it's often more efficient to import bills of materials and routings, especially when working from your engineering design software output. For example, industrial equipment may have thousands of components and many sub-assemblies. Imports can be done via spreadsheets or through our API for custom integrations. The first step is to ensure all stock items for products and assemblies are imported or entered. This can usually be done in a single import. Next, bill of materials and routings can be imported. You can even import multiple bill of materials in one go, and the same goes for multiple routings. Workers' visibility and production reporting is covered in our dedicated video, Real-Time Production Reporting. There, you'll learn how to use the My Production Plan interface on tablets, as well as the Internet kiosk for smartphones. Don't miss out. Visit our demo videos page to explore all the features. In this video, we've shown you how to manage multi-level products and multi-level production in MRPeasy. To learn more, be sure to check out our other demo videos. Thanks for watching.